Okay, here's a test of the porch light. That's kind of bright. So it'll do fine, but just got to not look at it. Then see if we can see the inside. See how that looks. Okay, that's the inside light. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the porch light. There we go. Okay, so definitely need some curtains for the little window. That's going to go up on the fan to keep cold air from going up in the winter. So that's it. So there's plenty of light there. Let me put this on the other direction. There's the light. It has a lot of different settings. This isn't even as bright as it goes. This is just kind of like a mellow light. Okay, so that's how much light escapes out of the door. So that's not so bad. It's frosted. So I don't need any type of covering inside for that. Let me show you the window though. Okay, the window, you can see right in. Like bright as day. So definitely gonna need some curtains on that. And that's how much light escapes up out of the fan. So it's pretty thin. Okay. That's the trailer, the Squaredrop.